Hello everyone, my name is Poonam Lade and today I am going to discuss a topic on BCG matrix. BCG matrix is what? Boston Consulting Group. It is a growth share matrix. It is a tool used essentially internally by the management to see where the product situation situated in their organization or what are the units or production lines. The growth share matrix is aids to the company deciding which product or unit is has to be kept in either sale, invest or more or not. There are the four distinct categories in the BCG matrix, but there are two axes in which the BCG matrix is related. In relative market share, where the concentration regarding to the market, that is what the unit or what are the percentage of market share of a company is decided as per the relatively or the component or the substitute market unit is produced by the existing companies in the market. Market growth is about the calculation that what the existing year in the past year what the share of the product and what are the share of the product is present is the market growth. This is the Boston Consulting Group growth share growth share matrix is on the vertical side market growth rate, and on the horizontal side there is a relative market share defining high and low on both the axes. There is a four quadrants in the BCG matrix, that is star, which is having a high growth rate and high relative market share also. Question mark, there is a low relative market share and high growth rate. Cash cow is having a high market share but a growth rate is very low. And dog, there is no growth rate and no relative market share. Then the only diversify or liquidify is the option remains to the dog. Star is a product where the high growth market and the market which is sizable proportion of market growth or market invested. So we have to invest in the star market as per in the diagram. If we are positioning in the star product, then we have to just invest and hold the product. In question mark, it is the stage of introducing the product into the market. Like it is a question mark is as a introduction stage, star is a growth rate, cash cow is a product maturity late stage, and dog is a decline stage. In the product life cycle, we can also take into consideration as a question mark, star, cash cow and dog. So in star, we have to decide how where to invest and hold it for how much time. Otherwise, if you are not invested or not hold for larger time, then it can convert it to the cash cow when the growth rate is declined. Cash cow, here is a cash cow. Here if we are invested in a cash cow and taken an efficient effort, then we can go convert a cash cow into a star also. But if we have not taken a proper decisions regarding to the product in the unit, then it can also relate to then it will cash cow will also convert into the dog. Question mark, this is the introduction stage of the product. The growth market rate is very high, but the growth rate of the market is high but the growth share is low. But depending upon the investment procedure, what the things is to be invested and how the product is to be done in future, so the growth fast is also a common large amount of company resources is taken into considerations. So there is the two possibilities regarding to this question mark is it can also convert into the star, or otherwise we can diversify or liquidify as it will can be convert into the dog. Dog is a product where the company's product is situated in the dog, that is the low market share and low growth rate. So there is a only option, it is to be sold, liquidate or responsionate. Dog can also be converted into cash cow, or sometimes cash dog is also giving a better profit as per the diversify is the option. But sometimes cash cow is also the option where we can turn into the cash cow. BCG matrix, this is the diagram. There are some advantages. It is simple and easy to understand. It is used to identify a corporate cash resources, where to maximize and where to future growth, and what is the profitability, and what and when to we have to diversify or liquidify the product in the market. Limitations is relative market share is only the two dimensions. There are some time medium type of work of the unit is also done, which is considered by the GE 9 cell matrix, that is McKinsey's 9 cell matrix. Also we can also take into consideration by that matrix, so we can clearly understand about the product, where it is situated, whether it is in the high, medium or in the low, so we can decide. This is the Nestle product BCG matrix. In this, star product was Nescafe Cerelac, whereas in Cash Cow, Maggi and Kit Kat is involved. Wherein dog Milky Bar, it is a very low in market growth rate and relative market share, so the company can decide to diversify or otherwise liquidate the product also. Conclusion: the BCG matrix is useful deployed to assess a product's potential growth rate within the industry versus its relative market share, to help develop long-term strategic market plans to maximize profits. Also, it is also useful for predict the product, where it is involved, or to diversify or liquidate, or where to invest or where to hold. Thank you so much.